guys, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my July 2023 Ice Cream Beauty Box. This box costs $25 a month. It comes with 5 to 7 beauty products in it. It can be beauty, skincare, makeup, tools. They kind of switch it up every month, but this has been a pretty cool box so far. So we're going to get right into what's in my box for July, and I did create today's look using some of the items that were in my subscription box. So we'll get right into it and I'll show you how I got it done. So let's start out with our first product, guys. So the first product we have, this is a Delancey product, and I'm not familiar with this brand, and this box does have a lot of different brands inside, like indie brands, which is really good because you get to try out so many different brands and you may find something else that you really enjoy, and I really like that. So this is the Delancey palette, and let me pop it open for you. Look at the colors. These are really nice monochrome colors here. And I think that's really cool. So this Delancey palette with the monochromes is a $25 value palette. And it says the monochromes were made to shine bright in the beautiful summer. And I'm going to do a quick swatch so I can show you guys what these colors look like. They're a little bit misleading. They look a little different than what you're seeing here, which I thought was really fun when I was playing with them before I came on camera. So let me show you what these swatches like. Okay, so this is our first one here. We'll swatch, and look at my finger. Look how bright that is. You see that? That is uber bright. And I think it's so pretty because it looks gold. And it looks whitish, kind of iridescent looking with a little hint of lavender, but it's actually gold. I thought that was really cool. So I'm going to go with the next color right here. And let's go to that one. And again, you see my fingers, they're extra bright. So let's go to this one. And look at that green color. I would never expect that color. Is clearly looking like it's like a light purple and we got green. So how cool is that? And let me go to the next one up here, this purple looking one. Now that one actually is purple. How about that? But these are some really cool colors. Oh my God. And then we'll go to this last one here. So then the next color is this one. Is it showing? Yeah, it's showing. So that color, like clearly, look at that. This is a really nice palette. This is a really nice palette. Like, these colors are so, I mean, I would never think that they were like this, but if you're going to like a Beyonce concert or a Taylor Swift, or you got like one of the concerts coming up soon, I would clearly go and grab this palette because it's literally so much fun. Like, look at these shines, really nice. And I thought this was really, really cool to work with. I didn't use this one for my look, but I did use one of the other palettes that came in here. So let's move on to our next item out of this box here. And I love that this box comes with so much makeup. I think that is the best part. So if you're a makeup lover and all you want is makeup in your box, I think this may be a good box for somebody that loves makeup and you're not afraid to try out different colors. This is for you. So guys, the next two products I have, they're both made by Shantico, and these are two monochrome liquid eyeshadows. This product is valued at $38 for both of these, and they say we're including not one but two Shantico Beauty liquid dual chrome shadows to allow you to experience more chrome shades. Now these, I like liquid, but these are so bright. I would have to be careful how I use these, to be quite honest. Can't get them out. Okay guys, so these are our two colors. So this is the first color here, and you can see the iridescence inside, and this is our second color here. And let me just do 2 swatches just so you guys can see what this is like. I'm gonna have to play with these and kind of come up with a look. These are just so unique. So let me just do it this way. And you see that has like a iridescent kind of like a pinky kind of chrome color. And let's try the next one. And these dry down pretty fast too, guys. So if you're going to use these dry down very quick. So let's go with the next one. I'll go on this side, right? Yes. Look at that. Like, these have some punch to them. And it's funny because I looked at the color and I look what came. I'm like, that doesn't even look like the same color. So that was the last one that I did over here. So as you can see there, they have a little punch, but these do dry down to the point you can't rub them off. So however you're going to set your look, you better be pretty happy with how you're doing it. But I think these would be great for like the inner corners. I think they could be fun there. I also think they could probably be fun if you want to kind of have really have fun. You could probably line the top lid with a brush, really fine angle brush, and kind of line right above your mascara, and then go ahead and do another one like kind of up here if you just have like a basic like neutral look, and then just use these as the pop of color to kind of stand out from the crowd. That could be fun too. So that is our products there, and again, those were valued at $38 for these liquid duochrome eyeshadows. Now the next product I did use, and that is the Ethereal palette by Okalana, and this palette here is valued at $19 at Okalana Cosmetics, and it says to complement the various chromes in the box, we've included a warm tone palette by Okalana. These shades can be used to create a smoky look, to which chrome shades can be applied to complete the look. So I actually like this palette. So let me show you this palette. This has 16 shades in it, guys. It does have a mirror. I'm just going to fold it down for the purposes of showing you our colors here. So these are our colors, and these shades were so easy to work with. I actually enjoyed working with this palette. And I'm kind of showing you guys how I did my eyeshadow for this look. I started off with this color here, and then I went in with a lighter shade on this side on the inner eye. So the outer eye has this darker shade, and I just put that kind of on the top of the lid, going around like a C, and then fanned it out a bit. And then the inner eye has this kind of light tannish color, and then I finished it off by topping it off with this color here. And I really liked how everything kind of came out. And then what else did I use? I used something else because I was like, oh, I should fan it out a little bit. Oh yeah. Then I use this color here to kind of go over the edges and kind of like fan them out to give it more of a reddish tone look. And I really enjoyed using this palette. This palette was so much fun to work with, and I didn't even put any eyeshadow base on before it. I just kind of have a little bit of foundation over my eyelid and kind of just went in. I really wanted to see, like, without the base, how this would kind of perform on its own. I think it did a great job. For $19, I think this is a very good value. So guys, the next product I tried out is the Ofra lip color is what we received, and this is by Hot Mess Mama. She has her own channel, Hot Mess Mama MD, and I think she has Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, and she's an influencer on YouTube, and she does a lot of reviews of different subscription boxes. I do follow her channel, so I was glad to get this liquid lipstick color from her, and I'm kind of showing you guys how I'm using it. This is more of like a nudie kind of tone to me. For me, based on my skin tone, I started off by lining my lips with one of my favorite liners by Juvia's Place. I use Winnie to line my lips first, and kind of smudged them together, and then I kind of gently tapped on the Hot Mess Mama MD liquid lipstick and kind of rubbed my lips together again to have that blended kind of color. And then I went over it with one of my favorite lip gloss made by Mally Cosmetics, and I don't know what color this is actually, or I do know what color this is. This is Tender Rose lip gloss by Mally Cosmetics that I went over it with to finish it off to create my full look. So I like this color, but you know, these nudie ones, you kind of got to work with them on darker skin tones, so it's always fun to kind of have a liner to kind of line your lips with and kind of create your look that way. So the last product in this box, guys, that we have a Queen product, and this is a highlighter. So this is valued for us at, how much is this? This is Eyescream Highlighter by Queen Studios. This is valued at 10 bucks. And it says summertime is all about glowing skin. And of course, we had to include a highlighter. What better shade than ice cream? So this was a little bit harder for me to work with because I started out with this one just doing like a quick little line that I figured it was like, you know, like a soft kind of highlighter. It would kind of blend out kind of creamy, and it kind of disappeared, so I had to go back in again. And then this time I decided I was just going to tap like the liner on and get a bigger area. So I went over the high bones of my cheeks here with the highlighter, and then I just did a tap on my nose with the highlighter and blended them out with an angle brush to create today's look. And I was a little bit more satisfied when I went over it the second time, and you can see it on my face. I felt like the first time it kind of like disappeared into the abyss and I didn't see it. I didn't really feel like it was there, so I did it a second time. So in review, guys, we have some really fun makeup this month for the ice cream box, and I think the box is an Independent Queen is the theme for this month. I really thought this was fun. I really think these are some dope palettes that we got. I am digging how look at this. This is gorgeous and so misleading because you look at the colors and it's not exactly what you think you're getting. So I thought that was really cool. I love the monochrome. These liquids, I'm gonna have to play with these. But guys, look, they dry down. Look, there's nothing coming off on my finger. Look, they're literally dried on. So if you're going to wear these liquid chrome makeup, like I said, they stay put. They stay put. So and then we have the Ethereal palette, which I use. I really enjoyed this, and it was fun for me to use this palette. Like, I think everything blended out really nice on my eyes, guys. Don't you think so? I think it really blended out really nice. I can't wait to use this again. I actually enjoy using this palette. And then we have the Hot Mess Mama MD Liquid Lip Color by Ofra. And then we also have our highlighter here by Queen Studios. So that was our entire box. I thought this was really great for $25. Really great products to use. If you have not tried this box, you may want to go ahead and check it out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know if you got this box and you tried out some of these products, which one is coming through as your favorite. And guys, if you have not already subscribed to this channel here, please consider doing so. I do post weekly, and I do love to do unboxings of various subscription boxes. If that is something you are into, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.